So at the moment we are completing the foundations of the gas turbines, the HRSGs, which are the boilers to recover the energy from the gas turbines, and then the steam turbine generator. So to kind of describe the process, we'll have the gas coming in this corner over here. It'll be fed into the gas turbines. It'll be mixed with air, which will drive the turbines around. They'll be connected to generators, and so they will generate their own electricity. Then moving through the process, the emissions will be used to drive boilers. There'll be 3 boilers, 1 for each gas turbine, and that'll be used to boil up steam. And that steam will go through a steam turbine generator, which is the last in the process. So it's a linear process, moving from my right to my left, and out of that we should get 205 megawatts. We're quite well developed in the process. So all of the underneath construction has been done. So the pilings, the foundations are now being laid. Next you'll see the buildings get erected, and off-site all of the work on the turbines and generators is ongoing. At the moment we have about 70 workers on site. That's not including all the office staff, the engineers, and all the background work that's going on. We will be taking on the main steelwork contractors very soon, so that will bring up the number over 100, and at the maximum activity point on site there'll be 200 odd men in this site alone, and that's not counting the work on the jetty and the regasification compound. We try to work during the day where possible, because it's better for the working teams. It allows us to keep control of quality very much so. But yes, we're working night shifts as well at the moment, just to ensure that we can adhere to the timelines. But we will be the focus of all of the critical stuff gets done during the day.